Welcome back, everyone. Back on the scene, and we're going to check out how everything's been going. We took a day off yesterday so they could lay down the drip irrigation line for us on this amazing landscape install. And let's go see what they did. We got the straw, we got the seed, we got fert, and we got 5 scoops of mulch right now. So go take a look at what we got. We have our nice little mountain laurel here with a boxwood, another mountain laurel, and I forget even how to pronounce that, so it gets big. So the irrigation line is intact, put down for us all through the beds, and yeah. The boys are back here finishing the tamping the back edge before we get mulch on it. Ian, he doesn't like mornings, but guess what? It's 11 o'clock. It's not cold and it's not morning. It's not cold and it's not morning.
If my side of my face is cold, it's fucking cold.
You got the coral bark. Love this tree. That's where it connects. Looks like they did a good job for us. That will definitely up the success rate for all these plants in the back. It's 150 foot of bed and a lot of work involved. If you've missed it, we have 2 videos out about the first day on the job here, replacing some plants, taking down the wood line. We got a whole separate video on taking down some bigger trees in the wood line. We have the little Toro Dingo action with 30 tons of topsoil we put on this back wood line, and the plant placements that me and my soulmate did. And wow, all the digging, all the planting, the installation of all the plants, and now we're here for the final day. So can't wait to see the end result, and let's get to work. Enough talking, right? I hope everybody's been doing well, and yeah, all you guys that watch my videos, I so much appreciate the time and the comments that you leave me, okay? It really does motivate me a lot. So thank you guys. Let's get some work done. Hey yo, probably should have been putting full wheelbarrows.
Full wheelbarrows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I gotta spread that in front and behind. So
Great. We don't need another shower. Feels great. Good. And then go get my car.
Say hi, Penny. Say hi to your audience, Pops.
So we got Ian and Tyler fixing the track marks, which isn't much. You can see we didn't tear up any grass where the 30 tons of dirt went. So while they're doing that, we're gonna roll through here, me and Dalton, and fix the front of this bed. It is 2 o'clock. We are completely finished up with everything on this job site. So let me take you down here. We'll take you a walk through and we'll point out the plants that we got, how big they get. Come on. Start off down here with the coral bark Jap maple, which we do have a match down that way. And this little purple guy, that little purple guy, they both get 10 feet by 10 feet tall. So they will balloon up pretty good in that area. Of course, we have the sky pencil. It does not get wide, but it does get 8 to 10 feet tall. Another 10 footer, another 10 footer. This is where we have a mountain laurel. It gets about 6 by 6. This little dude here gets 6 by 6, 6 by 6. And then we got the small Nandina. We got 3 Japanese hollies that'll grow together in a cluster. Another Nandina, another big purple 10 footer that'll plume up that whole area right there. These are boxwoods. They get about 5 foot tall, 3 foot wide. And there are 3 of them around the coral bark Jap maple. Another Nandina. Another big giant purple. And 2 boxwoods. Go along with them. Mountain laurel. 3 Japanese hollies. Nandina. big one, Nandina, big one, Nandina, 3 Jap hollies, sky pencil, Nandina, sky pencil, Nandina, sky pencil. The little dude right there will plume and fill in that whole middle spot with big purple. So that'll be beautiful, especially this time of year with all the oranges and reds in the trees. And in the corner we have mountain laurel, boxwood, and another purple to fill in that whole corner. So all seeded, strawed, ready to rock out. Fixed our tracks right here. So here we go. Here's my property marker for the last time. And this is our finished product. The whole wood line got taken back. We added 30 tons of topsoil to extend the yard and have easy planting all the way down. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna add up this job, figure out how much the materials were, figure out how much labor we had, and send the invoice out. Like I said in the very first video, it's all about trust. And this client trusted us because of our past experiences. I've been working on the yard for 2 years now. And yeah, I'll let you know what it turned out to. Y'all, like I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Elite Landscape style. Peace.